Hi guys, this is Neha Chaudhary here, your digital marketing consultant from Connect to Grow. At this time, everyone will suggest you to go online, but no one will tell you about how this process will go on, how your business will grow digitally, and what will happen after going online. In this video, I'll make you understand how the process will go on after going digital. Before we will start, you just need to understand these three terms that are crawling, indexing, and ranking. Crawling is something like searching or scanning the data. Then indexing is collecting your data and saving it in the database. And the ranking is depends upon the quality of your website. Now the question appears, what is website? Website is the collection of web pages where you can store the multimedia content like photos, videos, typically identifies with the common domain name and can be stored or published on the common web server. So your visitors can see all your data in the single place. Google has it's a virtual robots. We can call them Google bots, Google crawlers, or Google spiders. This is the first thing, and second thing is the online reputation management. This thing is important for your website and your social pages. It is about improving your name or your brand standings in the market. This can happen by counting positive responses and eliminating negative responses. Maintaining this online reputation management can build trust of your customer in your brand. These bots will search for the new data on the website and put that data in the database center. And then if the user search for the new website, then it gives result from the database center. This is known as SEO, that is search engine optimization. To understand this concept, just take a small example. Whenever you search for some queries like restaurant near me or hospitals near me or anything that you need to search, Google gives you an appropriate result. Google will show you the options available for you as per your requirements. It will show the result based on the ranking. Businesses having high ranking will be displayed on the first result pages of Google, and the remaining all will be on third, second, or any of the other result pages of Google. After knowing this, the question arises that how Google can give related result to the query searched by the user. And the answer is keywords. We can say keywords are the way of Google to be a medium between user and the web servers. Any idea or topic that defines what our content or would say what our service is about will be known as keywords. These keywords can be one or multiple words, or it can be a phrase. Google bots had already crawled our data and then searching for the same keywords that we have put in our content, Google will recommend our website to the same user. That's how the Google search algorithm works for you. This whole process depends on your SEO, that is search engine optimization. As a business owner, you will definitely think how my customers can increase. Then we will take a small tour. Do your website is attractive? Do your website contain keywords that will help customer to find you? Do your business listed on Google Business Listing? If yes, does your mobile number is working? Does your staff is polite to your customers? Do you constantly active on social media platforms? Do your marketing strategy will work for you? This every factor has a large impact on your website ranking. In this case, you can get that expert solution. Connect to Grow will provide you the best digital marketing services as well as best web development services in the Pune and Noida. We will help you to rank your business in the first position of Google search engine result pages. If you have any questions, we are just a call away. Our contact details has been given in the description below, or you can just Google for the Connect to Grow. Our digital marketing experts are stand by to help you out.